If you found this wedge in your door, a small pile of dirt left on your step, or a random gnome in your front garden, would you notice? In Britain, burglars quietly test whether anyone's home and whether your locks can be beaten in seconds. Welcome to Charlie Survival. Today we'll do 3 things. Break down 7 pre-break-in signals from leaflet wedges to lock snapping, give you a 10-minute door audit anyone can do, reveal the one £20 fix that stops a common sneak-in. I study and test British home defence, survival and preparedness for a living. I've pulled together what actually shows up on UK streets, and I'll give you one tiny upgrade that blocks a method most people don't see coming. The £20 fix is coming, so don't miss it, but first join the community and subscribe to stay up to date on real world threats and ways to survive them. 7 UK markers and pre-break-in tells with fixes. 1. The flyer wedge, aka absence check. An ordinary leaflet tucked low between the door and the sill, not at eye level. You only find it when you open the door, and when you do, it drops. That drops tells someone they came home. The door definitely opened. It looks like junk mail and you won't complain, but to a would-be burglar, it's a timestamp. If it's still there after a workday and into the evening, you might be away. The fix, 30 seconds. Make a habit of sweeping the jamb. As you unlock, quick feel for paper or plastic strip. Fit a brush or draft excluder letterbox so you can't easily wedge things through the gap. Ask a neighbour to clear post if you're away and do the same for them. Pause the video, go to your door, run your hands along the lower sill. Comment if there's anything there or if you've ever noticed something there before. 2. Layered leaflets and repeat menus. If you get the same takeaway menu every day or 2 different flyers jammed at different angles, that's not marketing, it's patterning. Someone may be watching how fast they disappear and what time they change. They're building your rhythm, work hours, school run, pub night. The fix. Through the door post cage so post falls in, not stays half wedged out. Camera angle that actually sees the door seam and mat, not just your face. If flyers are repeatedly stuffed when you're out, note dates and times, tell neighbours. If someone's willing to stand at your door to test you, they might also be willing to test your locks. That's number 6, but number 3 is even sneakier. 3. Objects on the step. You'll think kids did it. A small pile of dirt on the step, a pebble line across the mat, a random gnome part in your lawn. The logic is simple. If the object doesn't move, maybe no one's home. It's quiet, deniable, and it works. The fix. Treat any new object you didn't put there as a data point, move it and check cameras. Tighten your front routine. Bins back quickly, steps swept, lights varied. If it happens twice, text the street WhatsApp. Most burglars hate attention more than locks. Hold that thought, because none of this matters if you've left the key in a perfect spot for a crook to steal without stepping inside. 4. Letterbox fishing and handle testing. British homes love a front letterbox, and burglars do too. With a simple hook or strong magnet, they can fish keys or unlatch a handle through the slot. Combine that with a quiet handle test at night and you've served the burglar the easiest win in the world. Checklist. Never leave keys in the inside of the door or visible from the letterbox. Fit a letterbox guard or internal cage. Use a door chain that can only be undone from the inside. Habit stack. When the kettle goes on, do a handle check, front, back, side gates. Even with perfect habits, your hardware can betray you, and this is where UK homes are screaming easy targets. 5. The fake cooler probe. Middle of the day, high-vis jacket, we're in the area checking roofs or water pressure, your alarm's showing a fault. Their goal isn't to fix anything, it's to see you, your layout, and your reactions. If you open fully, if you look flustered, if valuables are visible, they've learned enough. Sometimes it turns into a distraction burglary. One talks and the other slips around the back. House rules. Don't buy at the door, keep the chain on and talk through the gap. Verify ID by closing the door and calling the company yourself. Never let anyone stand with a foot on your threshold. If someone pushes, close the door, lock and call. Keep the hallway boring, no keys, handbags or laptops in view. All of this is theatre if your locks can be beaten in seconds, and on millions of British doors, it can. 6. Lock snapping on Euro cylinders. Britain's Achilles heel. If you have a UPVC or composite door, you almost certainly have a Euro cylinder. Older ones, overlong ones, and cheap ones can be snapped with simple tools. Quiet, fast, no finesse required. How you're marked without knowing. A crook can spot a proud cylinder sticking past the handle or a flimsy handle set from the pavement. That tells them you're likely pre-upgrade. The fix, this is the big one. Upgrade to TS007 3-star anti-snap cylinder or a 1-star cylinder, plus 2-star security handle combo. Make sure the cylinder doesn't protrude past the handle escutcheon. Add hinge bolts if your door opens outwards and reinforce the strike plate. Upgrading here removes one of the most common UK entry methods. You demark your house by making it look like effort. I'll show you exactly where to look on your door in the 10-minute audit, but first, number 7, the most British tale of all. 7. Routine broadcasting. Burglars love predictability, bins left out all day, same porch light on 24/7, curtains frozen in one position for a week, a street that empties at a school run. You might think your house is invisible. It isn't, it's predictable. Make your house look lived in without pretending. Use timer plugs but stagger them. Kitchen 10 past 6 p.m. till 10:30, lounge 7 p.m. till 11:10 p.m, hall 9:30 p.m. until 10 p.m. Rotate which blind is half open. Ask a neighbour to wheel bins back if you're away and grab post, swap the favour. Keep delivery boxes out of sight until collection day. Okay, marker spotted, weak points fixed, but what do you actually do the moment you see one of these signs? Here's the fast response. Part 2, what do you do if you spot a marker? If it's happening right now, someone loitering, returning repeatedly or trying the handle, call 999. If you discover the sign after the fact, log time and date, save the footage, talk to your safe neighbourhood team via 101 and warn neighbours. Remove the marker if safe, then change the picture, sweep the step, adjust the blind, vary a light, relocate visible items. Your message is this house is active. Quickfire Q&A. Are biscuits under the doormat really a thing? You'll see viral clips about shortbread under mats. The broader principle is real. Fragile things underfoot break if someone comes home. Whether it's crumbs, dirt or a tiny prop toy, treat any unexpected item by your mat as a test of occupancy. What's that £20 fix you teased? Here it is. The tiny £20 fix that kills a common sneak-in. This is a Letterbox internal restrictor or guard. Basic version starts around 20 quid. It mounts behind your slot so you can't see keys, can't easily hook handles, and it deflects phishing attempts. If all you did tonight was fix one of these and move your keys, you've just removed a whole category of no effort entry. I've listed this as well as the top home security upgrades and preparedness items on my Amazon kit list, from home survival to bug out kit. You can find the link in the description. Check it out to make our streets safer again. Pair that guard with a cylinder upgrade and you're miles ahead. Let's audit your front in 10 minutes. Your 10 minutes UK front door audit. Set a timer. We're going curb, handle, letterbox, cameras, routine. Ready? 1. Curb check, 1 minute. Stand where a passerby stands. What screams absent? Bins left out. Same light on all day. Post visible through the slot. Fix one thing right now. Bring the bin in, kill a light or move post out of sight. 2. Hardware glance, 2 minutes. Look at your door furniture. Does the cylinder protrude past the handle? Write down your lock's rating. Look for the stars or kite mark. 3. Handle and locks, 1 minute. Does your handle lift to deadlock the door? Many people shut the door without engaging the multi-point. Make lift handle, key turn part of leaving and nightly routine. 4. Letterbox, 2 minutes. Peer through from outside. Can you see keys or reach the key in the door? If yes, move them. Fits the guard. 5. Cameras and angles, 2 minutes. Most cameras only see faces. Tilt one to see the door seam and mat. You want to catch a flyer wedge, a card low in the sill, a hand test in the handle, or items placed on the step. 6. Threshold discipline, 1 minute. Train everyone in the house. No keys, purses or parcels within arm reach of the door. Keep the hallway boring from the outside. Nothing worth the risk. 7. Routine shuffle, 1 minute. Change one thing tonight. Swap a lamp to a different timer slot, vary which blind is half open, ask a neighbour to wheel your bins in if you're late. That's it. 10 minutes, you've changed the picture a burglar sees from the pavement. If this helped, hit subscribe so YouTube doesn't hide this channel from you. Like and drop a comment down below if you've ever found anything weird on your doorstep. Share this video with your street's WhatsApp so neighbours see it too. Watch this video next about how to defend your home the old school way. Thanks for watching, stay prepared, stay safe, stay wild. I'll catch you in the next one.